नमस्कार, नमस्ते, good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, friends, scholars, students, sportsmen, professionals and officials, doctors and ministers, all around the world, those who are listening. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Today, your presence is praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable. This is really wonderful time, golden opportunity. Today is a nice day, nice place, nice time, so nice to all of you. Nice to see you, nice to listen you, nice to meet you in your according to your thoughts with the words. We are interacting each other. It is really a great source of communication. So may God bless us. Today we are concentrating and discussing about tree plantation. What is the difference between plant and a tree? Simply it is said that tree plantation, because tree is the fruit and tree is the matured form of the plant. A lot of changes a plant has to face for reaching at the height of tree. Tree is that which has all body parts, bottom to top, root to fruit. Sometimes students study what is the difference between phrase and sentence. So phrase is like a plant, because phrase has a group of words but does not convey its complete meaning. If we define a sentence, sentence is a group of words which has incomplete meaning and incomplete sense. So the thing is clear, point is clear here. What is the difference between plant and tree? Similarly, we study in English grammar difference between phrase and sentence. Phrase and sentence both have one thing common between them, that is a group of words. Means word is the common thing everywhere in English grammar, in whole English grammar. In planting the trees, what is the common thing? That is the part of vegetation, and these are water based. Plant is the first stage of the tree, and it is that stage which can be compared with a child, which needs look after, proper care. As we care our child, we think we have more personal and intentional and internal care for the child. So like that, we must care the plant. If we grow a plant, it gives us shadow, oxygen, peace and prosperity of mind, and anxiety से हमें दूर करता है. Frustration, desperation removes out from the mind and body. It is the power of the plant. If we see the plant, then our child learns how to live a life peaceful and pleasuresome by having the combination with the nature. So students study in the ecosystem. It creates equilibrium among the different factors of the nature. So planting trees nowadays, in these months, it is greatly needed for the freshness of the environment. We study everywhere that tree plantation is the solution of pollution. Everywhere we study this thing, but practically, how much do we follow? Do we sacrifice for the plant? Very few people are ready to sacrifice for the plant. There was a time of Chipko Andolan, Chipko movement, which was started by the Vishnoi community for protecting and preserving the plants. So that is recorded, that taught us, that gave us an example, that gave us a lesson how to care the plant. So if we want the overall development of our child, so it is necessary that a plant must be cared. Plant can be compared with a child, but tree can be compared with a man. Physiologically, a child does not have fruit, but root. Biologically, a plant does not have fruit, but has root. So, phrase works like a plant in a sentence, but sentence works like a tree in a passage. For keeping the environment and atmosphere clean and clear, there are uncounted, innumerable benefits of planting trees and saplings. These provide us fruits, shadow, and rain. Medicinal plants provide us medicines. Decorative plants help us in the decoration, and there are the different uses of the plants. Some plants we plant for